Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial, we are going to look at Windows Command Prompt. This is an introduction to Windows Command Prompt. These videos are going to be on a series. In this video, we will customize our Windows Command Shell. Normally, as a software developer, a computer programmer, a student, or an IT person, you will at some point be working with the Windows console or CMD on the Windows platform. For example, if you are on the Mac, you will be working with the terminal. If you are on Linux platform, you will be working with the terminal as well. But this tutorial is going to be on the Windows command prompt, the CMD, or the command line. By default, this command line software comes with their operating systems. In other words, you don't need to install anything to be able to use them. Generally, they are useful for computing, they are fast and always available for use. But why would you want to use the Windows command line or the CMD? There are several reasons for that. The command line tool is faster than the graphical user interface features that you may be using or used to. You can only use some software or applications through the command line interface. Another reason why you would want to use the command line is the fact that CLI software development and usage are on the rise today. For example, you hear of the AWS CLI, Microsoft Azure CLI, and so on. The command line or the command prompt is secure and less prone to crash. If you know how to use it very well, it will increase your efficiency and the productivity rate. The command line is very useful in computing and programming. There are different types of command shells. For example, on the Windows platform, we have the Windows command prompt, which has been in existence for long. And now we have the Windows PowerShell, which is an advanced version of the Windows command prompt. They both run on the Windows platform. Who uses the command line? Well, software developers use the command line, IT professionals, network administrators, system administrators, and some other Windows users use the command line for their task. I use it a lot in my videos and in my daily work. So in this video, we are going to learn how to open and customize the Windows command line. In the process, we will open the command prompt, change the font size, that is, make it more readable or larger in size, change font color, change background color to make them more visually appealing. And finally, we will copy statements and commands that you may have entered in the command prompt. But before we do that, take a minute and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's start the process of using the Windows command prompt. Alright, now let's open the Windows command prompt so that we can customize it and start using it. There are different ways that you can open the Windows command prompt. To open the command prompt, you can type CMD in the search area, CMD, and click on command prompt to open it. Great. One other way to open the Windows command prompt is through the address bar of a folder. I will open a folder here and click here to select everything. But be careful here because you may open another CMD from a different program. There is a possibility that you have installed a program which has its own CMD as part of it. We will see that in a minute. Now I will type in here CMD, hit enter. Great. Now this one is different from the one that I opened before. Let me put both of them side by side. You can see they have different colors. This one with a different color here came from another application that I installed on my computer. Why this one here, that is with the default color, black and white, is from the command prompt that came with the operating system. So be careful here, because if you use the address bar, you could get a different one from the one that came with the operating system. Now I am going to close this one. Let me move this one up here a bit. Now I'm going to maximize this. Okay, this time let's customize it. At the moment, this is the default font size. We can increase it. To do that, right click here in the top area, the white space on the top, and click on Properties. Now click on the font menu. Here I'm going to set the font size to 20, and I can change the font here from what it is. I will change it to Korea New. And now for the colors, the background screen is set to black. I can change it to something else. For example, I will change it to this one here, green, and click OK. This may not take effect straight away, so you can close it and open it again. Now I will close it, and in the search area I will type in again CMD, command prompt. Exactly. Now the background color has changed. This is how you can change the background color. Here for the test, I am going to enter CAL, C-A-L for calendar. Hit enter. Great. Now it shows me the calendar for this month. We can also copy command from the command prompt. To do that, I will also right click in this white area, edit, select all. Again, I will right click, edit, copy. Now I am going to open Notepad. From here I'll type in Notepad and hit enter. Great. Now it has opened Notepad, and I can paste the text that I copied from the command prompt. So this video was to introduce you to the Windows command prompt, show you how to configure the screen, copy text, and open a text editor, in this case Notepad. In my next video, we will start using the command prompt to do some other IT and programming related tasks. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye for now.